Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an amazing day today, and as you saw by the title of this video, today I'll be sharing with you my nighttime skincare routine. So I'll be sharing not only the products that I use, but I'll be giving you a lot of different options of products that you can kind of change, or some like more affordable options compared to the ones that I will share today. So I have some kind of like a little bit more higher price brands, but then also more affordable brands. So if you're interested in knowing more about my skincare routine, then stay tuned. Alright guys, there's a few things I want to mention before we start the video. The first thing is that this is my nighttime routine, but I do have a morning routine that I have already recorded and posted. So if you're interested in knowing a little bit more about the products that I use during the day, which may I say are different products than what I use at night, at least most of them, then I'm going to leave you a little card over here for you to check out that video. In there, I'm going to give you some recommendations for other skin concerns that I kind of take care of during the day. So if you're interested, again, just watch that one later. But today I'm going to be sharing also some products that are good for acne prone skin. I'm going to share products that are going to cover like rejuvenating kind of concerns about your skin and things like that. Another thing that I wanted to mention before I start the video is that I'm not a dermatologist or a skincare provider. I'm just someone that has tried different products and have found a lot of products that work for me and that have improved my skin over time. If I find a picture of what my skin looked like before, I'll try to post it over here so you guys can see it. But with the help of my dermatologist, research, and also just like trying different things, I've been able to improve. Right now, it's not even perfect or anything like that. I mean, I think it's hard to have like perfect skin, especially if you have oily skin and acne prone skin, which is what I have. But I think that it doesn't really look that bad. And I guess the last thing would be that, so just as a background of my skin, I have oily acne prone skin. Right now it's a little bit more combo, a little on the drier side, because I guess right now we're in so-called winter, which in Miami where I live, it's not really a winter, it's more of like a less hot kind of weather and a little bit less humid. So when that happens, my skin reacts a little bit different, my acne gets a little better, skin sometimes gets a little drier, but nothing too crazy. Definitely don't have like dry skin. However, if you do have dry skin, I will share a lot of products that work for dry skin. I think like even if you have combo or oily skin, it's very important to moisturize, and that is something that I will definitely share with you, products that work for all kinds of skin types. So starting with the first step, what do I do at night? I guess the first thing would be if I'm wearing makeup, which of course I'm not right now because hello, I need to start with clean face for you guys to see me applying the products. But I would remove my makeup with a cleansing balm, and this is the kind of product that I have been loving now for over a year. So I have two different options. One is a little bit more expensive, but I really like a little bit more. It just feels like easier to use and removes the makeup a little bit easier and faster. This is the Green Clean by Farmacy. This is a makeup Meltaway cleansing balm, and what a balm is, like it says, it's just a balm that when you start rubbing it into your skin, it becomes like an oil that kind of just melts away your makeup. I also have another option that is by the brand Vanilla Co, and this is the Zero or Clean at Zero Cleansing Balm Original. So they have, I think, a different options or like scents or whatever of this product. I just got the original one on Amazon. You can buy it there. This one you can buy at Sephora or probably on their website. But basically I like to start with this just because it makes it super easy removing makeup. And then the next step that I would normally do is use a micellar water. Right now the one I'm using is this one by Tarte, which is called the Micellar Magic. Honestly, I got it on a BoxyCharm, just like the Farmacy one. And if you don't know about BoxyCharm, it's a subscription box for which I've done a few different videos. So I'll leave a little card over here in case you're interested in knowing about it. Sometimes we receive products that are like higher brands or like more expensive brands that are really good, and I've been able to discover a lot of products thanks to them. Actually, a lot of the products that I'll be sharing with you, I also received in BoxyCharm and have repurchased. So This one though, the Tarte Micellar Water, It's not my favorite, so I actually wouldn't recommend this one. I'm just using it because I like to use what I have and just kind of, you know, go through my products so I'm not just accumulating products. And I think that's something that I wanted to mention today. Like, you don't have to buy everything that you see out there. Use the products that you have. But if you need a product and you're in look for a new product, then, you know, of course, I think these recommendations would be good. So the one that I would recommend today is by Garnier. That's my favorite micellar water. It is their Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. They have different versions. My favorite is actually the waterproof makeup remover one, because that one, like the name says it would remove waterproof makeup. So to me, that one cleanses the skin or removes makeup even better. But if you're using it and you don't have a lot of makeup on, then I do like the mattifying one if you have oily skin, or the rose water one. It's also a good option. Sometimes I do use makeup wipes. I try to not use them much. I usually use them when I'm traveling. The ones that I love the most are by Neutrogena, and it is the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. Now they even have some singles that are super cool to travel or have in your bag, but those have been my favorite for the longest time. Those are very affordable as well. I just feel like it's a product that you don't really need to use on a daily basis. So again, I just use it when I'm traveling just because of the convenience. That will eliminate me from like bringing micellar water and a cleansing balm. I can just bring that, and once I'm done using them, I can just throw them. I don't need to keep like traveling with them. So that's why I do like those, and those don't irritate my skin. So I did forget to mention that I have very sensitive skin, so that's another thing that if you have, probably a lot of these products won't affect your skin as much because I have very, very sensitive skin. So of course, after applying the micellar water to help remove the makeup, then we actually need a cleanser. So I do have a few that I love. The first one that I actually talked a lot about in my morning routine video is this one by Garnier, and this is their Gentle Sulfate-Free Cleanser. This one is a very, very good option. It just feels more natural. I think if you have sensitive skin, you will love this because it won't tug on your skin. It won't make it feel like extra dry or anything like that, because this one doesn't contain soap. Actually, it doesn't contain oil, sulfates, alcohol, or fragrance either. And it's good for all skin types and sensitive skin. So I love this one. However, when I'm wearing like a lot of makeup, very, very full on makeup, and I would use the cleansing balm, I like to use more this one. This one is by the Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash. This one I feel like it's a little stronger. It just I feel like that it cleanses the skin a little bit more deeply. So I like this one for that. However, if you do have dry skin, you might not like that one because I feel like it does make your skin feel a little bit drier. So I would recommend this next one, which is by Dr. Brandt. And this one is their Clean Biotic pH Balance Yogurt Cleanser. So this one will cleanse the skin very, very well, but it won't make it feel dry, just like the Garnier one. So I guess it's kind of like you could swap this two as well if you have dry or normal to dry skin. I actually have another step that I do, which would be like exfoliating my skin or doing a mask sometimes, especially on the days where I use makeup or if I've been using makeup for a few days straight. I will share those at the end as an added bonus because I don't want to kind of interrupt the kind of like step-by-step that I would normally do on a daily basis. So starting with what would be the first actual skincare product that I would put on my skin. In that case, it would be some kind of serum. So I do have a few to share with you today. The first one that I actually used in my morning routine as well, it is a hyaluronic acid serum. So this is something that if you have normal to dry skin, you're gonna love. Oily skin also you're gonna love, especially the times when you feel like your skin needs a little bit more like of a moisturizing, hydrating kind of thing. This one that I have today is by Farsali, and this is their Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum. So this one, it's right now one of my favorite hyaluronic acids. I have tried a few, and I guess another option would be the ordinary hyaluronic acid. That one is extremely affordable. However, I don't like the consistency of that one because it's a little bit like watery, and I actually like it when it's a little bit more thick like this one. To me, this one is like a dupe to the Skinceuticals Hyaluronic Acid, which is the first hyaluronic acid that I used that I loved. So I found that this one is a good dupe. So I'm not even going to show you the Skinceuticals one because I think this one works amazing. And the way that I apply this is basically just applying a few drops to my skin and then kind of just rubbing it or just making sure that I get it all over my face. And yes, I also apply it on my eyes as well. And this product, again, it just helps moisturize the face. Like, it absorbs super quickly. You can feel it in your face, kind of like how moisturizing it is. So I do use this product often. I don't use it on a daily basis, especially when I use certain products that are a little bit more strong and for other skin concerns. But on times when I need the extra moisture, I do that. And on times where I don't need the extra moisture, right now I'm using this serum, which is like an antioxidant serum called Antioxidant Dew by the brand Kypris or Kypris. I don't know how to pronounce it. This one is something that I'm not going to recommend, but it is the one that I'm using right now because, again, I do have like the subscription boxes where I get different products, so I try to use what I have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this serum, which will be the next one that I am applying at the moment. So I guess the next step would be my under eyes right now. I do have some under eye creams that I use and that I love. One of them I guess will be the It Cosmetics Confidence in an Eye Cream. And this one is very, very moisturizing. It feels really good. They say that it helps with wrinkles and things like that. And the other one is by Farmacy. This is their Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. And this one, like the name says, it has vitamin C. So to me, it will help more with like dark circles, which I do have. So I'm using this one right now. I'm not using the It Cosmetics as a cream. So I'm going to apply this. This one feels like a little bit more like a gel kind of thing, even though it looks white. And I apply it also on my eyelids as well because I do have like pretty dark eyelids. So as far as my next step, I have a few options of things that I will do. The thing is, I don't do the same thing at night every single day. And I will explain you now. So I have two products that I would use a few times a week. And this is when I would apply these products. So the first one would be the Good Genes by Sunday Riley. This one I have been using lately, but I only use it about 2 to 3 times a week. I don't use it every single day. This is a lactic acid treatment, so it will exfoliate your skin or deeply exfoliate your skin. So it says that it's very good for dull skin. So it will give your skin clarity and radiance and will also help with the skin looking younger. It also brightens the appearance of dark spots, discoloration as well. The good thing about this product is that you don't need a long period for your skin to get used to it, so your skin doesn't peel too much or anything like that, which definitely happens with retinol. And this is the other product that I have been using for years, and I would definitely recommend if you have acne prone skin. So the one that I use is by Skinceuticals, recommended by my dermatologist. This is the Retinol 0.5 Refining Night Cream with 0.5% pure retinol. So the way that I do, just like I did the other products, I'll apply a little bit of this product on my skin and kind of just blend it into the skin. I'm not using retinol right now. I'm taking a break from it because I am trying the lactic acid and I want to see what difference does it make in my skin. And also, I don't like mixing, using too many strong products on my skin, especially since I don't have a lot of concerns right now and I don't have any active acne in the moment. So going with my next just normal step, if I'm not using on a night that I'm not using retinol or lactic acid, what I would do next is just apply a moisturizer. And the one I'm using right now is by It Cosmetics. This is the Confidence in a Cream, and this is a very thick moisturizer that it says that it's good for all skin types. This is also good for it's anti-aging and rejuvenating as well. I do feel like it's extremely moisturizing. If you have oily skin and you're gonna see when I apply it, you will see a little bit more of like a dewy finish from this product, so this is why I don't use it like when my skin is extra oily during the day, but however I would use it at night, because again, even though you have oily skin, it doesn't mean that you don't need to moisturize. You definitely do. So as you're gonna see, this product is a little bit more expensive, but a little bit goes a long way. So I kind of apply this much, dab it on my skin. And I just love how it feels, like your skin right away just feels the moisture from this product. And then the remaining of the product, I just usually apply it on my hands. Sometimes I actually apply it on my hands a little bit after I'm done with my skincare. So this is kind of like how the skin looks. I feel like the skin just looks more moisturized right away with this. All right, moving on to the last step of my routine would be an oil. And yes, even though I have oily skin, sometimes I apply an oil. For two reasons. Sometimes I feel like my skin needs that little like extra plump, and I feel like I get it from this product that I have repurchased a few times now. But then also sometimes I just want my skin to look more like alive when it feels dull, and I think this is a product that helps with that, especially if I use it a few nights in a row and it does not cause any acne, at least not on my skin. So it has jojoba or jojoba, argan, and sea buckthorn oils. So after shaking well the bottle, I just go in with just a very tiny few drops. So about 3 drops. And like you're gonna see, this is gonna make my skin looking a little oily, but again, at night, I don't think it's a big deal. So as you see, it just looks nice and healthy. It will absorb in a little bit. It takes a little longer than a moisturizer because it's an oil, but it is a very lightweight oil. And last but not least, I always like to take care of my lips because I have very, very dry lips, which I've had throughout this video because I had to show you this step at the end. That's the way I do it. So I have 2 different options for lips. My longtime favorite is by Laniege, and it's their Lip Slipping Mask. This is the original version. This product is a little bit more expensive. However, I feel like it lasts a long time. So I buy probably like about 2 bottles of this a year, and I always buy it when there's a sale. So, you know, I don't really pay full price for the most part. And another option would be by Aquafor. This is more affordable. This is their regular like healing ointment. It's not the one meant for the lips, but I think this works better than the one meant for the lips. So I definitely highly recommend this product because it feels very similar to the Laniege. I feel like Laniege gives me a more long-term result than Aquafor. But again, Aquafor is so affordable and you need so little that it will last you like more than a year probably. So as you see, just clear. You can't even tell. It doesn't even look glossy. Anyways, this is the end of my skincare routine video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember that I do have a morning routine video, which I'm going to link over here for you guys to watch if you haven't yet, because in there, I'll share other products that are good for other skin concerns like I mentioned earlier. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more videos like this. I will try to give you an updated routine maybe during the summer when I change my skincare routine a little bit because of my acne usually shows through a little bit more. So you might want to subscribe for that. Hit the little bell button so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. I do a lot of makeup and beauty related videos, like makeup tutorials, unboxings, and things like that. So if you want to check out some of my videos, I'll leave you a card over here to check out some of those videos. But anyways, guys, I hope you found this video very helpful. I definitely had fun recording this video for you. I hope to see you again on my channel very, very soon. So love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!